Hi, I'm JB Spiso. I'm a retired Army Sergeant Major and at Pivotal Moments Media, a force multiplier. I'll give you a tool to help you stay present. It's called SEALS, S-L-L-S. Stop, look, listen, and smell. Even throughout your day, things come at you, stop for a second. Look around. Listen. Even smell. In the military, if we went on a mission and we landed at a landing zone, we would take a moment when we got off the helicopter, as the helicopter flew away, to just take a second to understand exactly where you are and what you're going to do. Stop, look, listen, smell. Give it a try. It's easy throughout the day to lose your presence. You might be in your car. You drive past the exit that you were supposed to turn off at. Your focus is drifting. And that's why you need to really intentionally become present with yourself and your surroundings. Take time to do that. I remember a story. We were doing a scuba diving trip with West Point cadets, and the senior dive instructor entered the water with an empty scuba tank. This is a man that had thousands of scuba dives, but he wasn't present that day. Fortunately, we averted disaster, but think about that. You go on something, you do something, and you're not focused to check your equipment or check yourself. How many times have you ran out of your house, forgot your phone or your backpack or your computer or something that you needed for the day because you're not being present? Take a moment before you do anything. Stop, look, listen, smell. Give it a try.